Hi again, it's Mike from Sundance. Today we're going to be talking about installing the gutter system, specifically using the gutter corners. We use these gutter corners to make the installation a little bit simpler. You don't have to have as precise a cut as you do when you're doing mitered corners, as well as it gives a kind of a cool finished look on those corners. The other big benefit of using the corner piece is that it allows for a little bit of slop as far as that cut. You can be off by a 1/4 inch, even up to a 1/2 inch on your cut overall length, and you're still going to be able to use these corner pieces and get everything sealed up properly. Now for the demonstration purposes, we're using Adobe caulking on the bronze frame. Normally, obviously, we'd be using color match caulking to make everything look nice. So what I like to do before installing the corner piece is I'll put a layer of caulking around the edges of the back side of the flaps, as you can see here. Now once I've screwed that in, I need to make sure that I'm lining it up so that the top of my corner piece is matched up with the bottom of the beam. That way, when we install our gutter, which is going to come on top of the gutter piece and on the inside of it, the bottom of our gutter is going to be flush with the bottom of the beams. With the gutter piece installed, the corner piece, what I like to do is I'll put down a layer of silicone on the top face of that corner piece, as you can see here, as well as the back side of the beam where the gutter is going to slide in. It's really important as you're doing this that you're covering all the area that the bottom side of the gutter is going to hit. That way you get that nice sandwich effect on the silicone, and it's going to create a good water barrier and prevent leaking from coming through underneath the gutter. Now you also got to make sure that you're getting this corner where there might be a gap depending on how accurate your cut is. And then I also like to run a bead of caulking along the beam about 2 inches up. Now what this will do is this will make it so that when you put the gutter in, it's going to sandwich that silicone between the gutter and the beam, and it, once again, create a nice seal that should last a long time for you. Now we put the gutter in. To do that, we're going to slide one side in like this to the end. On the other side, we're going to have to drop straight down, and you're going to have to pull the flap of the corner piece away from the beam in order to get that down. Once you've got the gutter in place, make sure that you're not overlapping the flap of the corner piece. And then you're going to screw about 2 inches from the end of the gutter, and then every about 20 to 24 inches along the length of the gutter. Once that's all done, the last piece to do is to caulk the front side of that corner piece on the seam between the corner piece and the gutter. You can see how I'm doing it here. You'll put that caulking on there and then clean it up, make it look nice. You'll do that for all of your gutter pieces, and that's all you got to do.